All right. All right. Hey, hey guys, it's Strawberry Cupcake here, and welcome back to a brand new gaming video. Today I am going to show you guys one of the game on Roblox. That's my favorite game on Roblox. So let's get to it, shall we? All right, in three, two, one. Time to share my screen. Roblox, share. All right, I'm going to play. Let's see, what should I play? I'm gonna play. Let's see. Um, I'm gonna play this one. I'm gonna play this one. NYC MTA train sim world. Parenthesis IRT flushing. All right, here we go. The flushing line bound. It's loading. I come in as 82nd Street, but I cannot do that, right? Because there's no train. Respawn. Fifth Avenue, no. Respawn again. Foursquare, no. Respawn again. Times Square, okay. I could do Times Square. So Times Square means I went back to Main Street. So here I go. Went back to Main Street. There's two trains. I could choose R188 or R62A. I always like one R188, so I'm gonna spawn one R188 on here. And okay. Before I start driving the train, I have to change the location sign. Um the location sign, I'm gonna make it 7 local. There's a 7 express, but I'm not doing that today because this video is a 7 local. So I'm going in the next video I'll probably do 7 express. Going all the way to Flushing Main Street and I'll do. And here we go. So I'm driving, I'm driving, I'm driving, I'm driving, I'm driving, I'm driving, I'm driving. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay. All right. I'm at Times Square, 42nd Street. Open the left door. There you go. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is the next stop is Fifth Avenue. Standing closing doors, please. Dun dun. All right, now let's go. So I'm driving, I'm driving. All right. So we made it to, this is Fifth Avenue. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street. Stand closing doors, please. Dun dun. All right. So now I'm going to drive my train. So here we go. Oh, and also while I'm driving the train, um, we're running in a delay, but hold on, not yet. We're gonna say it right when we get closer to the stop. So I will say right. I should go back. All right. We're gonna say it right here. Delay. 7 trains are running with delays in both directions after we remove a train with a door problem from service at Grand Central 42nd Street. Sorry for any inconvenience. We are delayed right now. And now we're back to normal. Here we go. All right, this is Grand Central, 42nd Street. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is Verdon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. Stand and closing doors, please. Dun dun. All right, let's go. And this is a long tunnel, so just be patient with me. All right, so this is Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. This is the Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is Hunters Point Avenue. Standing closing doors, please. Dun dun. This is Hunters Point Avenue. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is Court Square. Standing closing doors, please. Dun dun. This is Court Square. This is an accessible station. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is 33rd Street. Stand closing door, please. Well, in real life, there's Queensboro Plaza, but in the game, there is no Queensboro Plaza because due to Queensboro Plaza Station upper level is closed due to renovation. So we gotta skip that stop. And here we go. You see, there's a red wood in here. So this is closed. So we're going to skip that stop. Next up, 33rd Street, Ross, 33rd Street. Next up, 33rd Street. This is 33rd Street. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is 40th Street. Stand and closing doors, please. Dun dun. This is 40th Street. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is 46th Street. Standing closing doors, please. Dun dun. This is 46th Street. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is 52nd Street. Standing closing doors, please. Dun dun. This is 52nd Street. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is 61st Street, Woodside. Standing closing doors, please. This is 61st Street, Woodside. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is 69th Street. Standing closing doors, please. Dun dun. All right. Now, this is 69th Street. This is a Flushing bound 7 local train. The next stop is 74th Street, Broadway. Stand closing doors, please. Dun dun. All right, so I gotta do this fast because I don't know why my recording stopped before. I think I had too many videos, so I might delete some of my personal vlog on here. So just bear with me. Um, yeah, so this is gonna be a 2 clip video, so all in one. And we made it to. All right, we gotta do this again. We gotta make. All right, so this is 74th Street, Broadway. Next stop is 82nd Street, Jackson Heights. Stand closing doors, please. Dun dun. All right, gotta do this quick as possible. I want to make my save and night trip to Main Street before the recording stops again. I don't know why my recording stopped. I didn't have too many videos, so I'm gonna delete all those recording videos I have that I made, and I'll be safe. All right, I'm gonna stop right here. This is 82nd Street, Jackson Heights. This is a Flushing Mound 7 local train. The next. This is 82nd Street, Jackson Heights. The next stop is 90th Street, Elmhurst Avenue. Stand and close the doors, please. Dun dun. This is 90th Street. Hold up. This is 90th Street, Elmhurst Avenue. The next stop is Junction Boulevard. This is a Flushing Mound 7 local train. The next stop is Junction Boulevard. Stand closing door, please. Dun dun. Oh, shoot. Great. All right. I'm going to stop recording. All right. False alarm. I crashed my train. Sorry, but I'm not going to post that up. So this video, this 3, I'm not going to put it up. But I did not make my safe trip to Flushing Main Street. I'm going to start recording this. Hold on. So I did not make my trip all the way to Flushing Main Street. I am so sorry. Maybe in my next video. Hopefully I have enough time to make it to Flushing Main Street because I don't know why people are saying record stop. I think I have to delete some of my videos that I made previously. So in my folder, so I'm gonna clean that up right now. And thanks for watching. Strawberry Cupcake. Until next time, Strawberry Cupcake. See you guys next week. Next week on Thursday. Bye.